Hi guys, Henry here from IFE. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I've got a bit of jet lag and it's very dark and cold back in the UK. So today I want to talk about something very UK specific, and that is protection of wealth for those with over £325,000 as of 2020 GDP, and how to do that as an expat, or even if you're a UK resident living in the UK, we see a vast amount of property wealth or combination of property and asset wealth as well. So just to clarify, the UK government is going to tax you on anything over £325,000. It's an inheritance tax rate of £40,000. There is different ways you can do it for a partner. You can actually get through taxways if you're living in the UK to get it to around about £500,000, but then it will be subject to 40% inheritance tax, and that's pretty hard to get away to. As well, if you're a foreign national and you've got property in the UK, this also applies to you as well if your property's over that, or if you're a UK expat and you've gone somewhere like Australia, it still applies to you, the tax rules for inheritance tax. So if you're a British citizen, go back to British citizens. You're going to get taxed wherever you go on inheritance tax. The only way to get out of it is to declare yourself non-domicile. So that means getting everything out of the UK, not even a bank account, no assets, no wealth, nothing. Famous cases have been involved where people have just had a gravestone back in the UK, or Wales famously, and they've been caught from the inheritance tax side. So when it means cut ties completely with the UK to declare yourself non-dom. So that's one way. It's a pretty harsh way, pretty extreme way, but that can be done if you wanted to get rid of inheritance tax. Another one is, we talk a lot about investments here, but we don't touch too much on the protection element. So there's trusts involved. You can have a 7-year time frame where you can gift trusts away in a discounted gift trust, even in life insurance schemes. There's ways to reduce it round. Gifting the assets in your lifetime is one of the best ways to reduce tax. There's all confusing ways with the gift systems now. You can give unlimited £250 gifts, you can gift it to £2,000 at any one time each fiscal year to a person, or you can have a look at the different trust options that we've talked about here in some of the articles we've done. Talked about different trusts for UK personnel, both UK expats and UK residents. So there's some of the main options what you can do. Why should you think about this? Well, the average property price in the UK, if you're a property owner, that a lot of people get into the later years, they are now, especially when property prices have gone up, say in the last 20 years so high. A lot of people have got on the property ladder. They will have a home that's worth over £325,000. They're getting into the older years. They probably have a few assets as well, a pension, a bit of assets in the bank. They may want to think about that. So if you're one of those people and you have got assets over £325,000 or £500,000 in the UK and you're living abroad, feel free to get in touch at info@investmentforexpats.com. Thanks guys, cheers.